Copy that.
We are at the car wash.
Yep, with Mom, Dad, and Campbell.
Campbell, are you watching car wash videos while we're going through the car wash?
Channel. Right, Mama?
That's right. Welcome back
We are the German channel.
to the.
Right, Dad?
Yeah, welcome to our channel.
Welcome to the German channel. My name is Logan, and my name is Campbell.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe to our channels. And make sure to watch our videos.
Mhm.
Like our Halloween videos on the channel.
Halloween.
Good
videos.
recommendation.
Nice. Good
That's a pretty
job.
hot
Yeah.
video.
We have one of those videos.
It's busy here today. Oh, they had to exit. Look. Thingy isn't working. Hopefully he doesn't come and tell us that.
That our subscription
Back.
thingy is not working. We are in trouble, troublemakers.
Hi there. So we have a subscription? Oh, cool. Nice. Thank you.
We look forward to seeing you again.
That was a quick fix.
Sure was. Oops. Oops. What happened to that?
First, we're going to go to the car wash.
Hey, Logan, what should we do to the viewing port?
Open the viewing port.
All right.
Remember that part?
Oh, I do.
That was the first night.
Get ready for a light show. I never.
We've got the basic subscription. There aren't any
Mhm.
fancy lights for us.
We don't get the disco lighting.
Yeah.
I love disco.
No massage, shoulder rubs, nothing.
Disco's my favorite thing.
Basic. They should call
Uh-huh.
it that.
Are
Just
you-
name it basic.
Or they can name it disco.
Oh, the disco one. Well, they call it date night. That's pretty fun. It's as close to like disco mode as I think they're going to offer.
Thank you, sir. Sir Teenager.
It is nice that even on the lowest plan, they spray the bugs off our car.
Woo! I didn't record this in widescreen. I'm sorry,
Oh,
Campbell.
that's okay. Some formats it likes for. Like YouTube people who watch on their phone,
Yeah.
I think it'll show up better for them
Good.
than it will if you do it sideways. What you doing, Campbell? Are you recording?
Oh my, so loud.
Time for the sunglasses again. See, honey, you can see the screen now. And now you can switch to the back too. See, that's behind us. How cool. Our dash cam is recording car wash action. So if we had damage back there, we could actually play back the video and show them.